welcome to this beautiful and affordable home here at Northwood Community. If there's anything I love about this home, it's gonna be its affordability and it's spacious and it's beautiful. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. I'm not outside today because it's freezing in Illinois and I don't want to catch the cold. So we're gonna be in here today. Let's get a tour. As you can see, this living room is so spacious. Like, let me take a step back and look how spacious this is. It's so huge. It has lots of window space in here. There's another window here which I want to show you guys in a second. But when you turn this way, you see the second window right here. There is so much space in this living room, and that's not even all. Right when you enter, this is the door. You are greeted by this closet right here, so you can hang your coats in here. I'm still chilly from being outside all day, so it's a little cold. But you can hang your jackets in here in this closet. When you turn around, this is gonna be your spacious, gorgeous kitchen. This is an open concept house, which means your living room and your kitchen flows just within. Now, this home has older appliances. This home is for sale, so it's gonna be the homeowner's choice if they want to keep the fridge or buy a new fridge. It's really up to them. Personally, I would change the fridge because the white fridge is for the 2000s, okay? We want stainless steel now. Fortunately, it doesn't come with the home, so you're gonna have to change it yourself for this home, especially for the price point of $29,900. That is more than good enough to get yourself a stainless steel appliance. Now, let's come inside the kitchen a little bit and take a look at the space in here, the cabinet space. And one thing I love is when you're cooking, you can look outside and you're looking at the main street, which means you're gonna be enjoying good dinner and cooking some good meals while looking outside. If you don't believe me, let's just count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 16, 17, 20. I'm not that bad at counting, not 20. 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There's so many cabinet spaces in here. A total of 26 cabinet spaces in this kitchen alone. Don't tell me this home is not worth it, okay? It's affordable, it's beautiful, the kitchen is spacious. What else do you need in a home like this? So as soon as you come out of the kitchen, you're entering straight into the living room space. I'm gonna show you guys a secret nook in that living room space, so let's come a little closer so I can show you guys. Look at this beautiful craft and art station right behind me in this house. If you're someone who likes to yarn, sew, I don't know, whatever, that is so perfect. I love the top and bottom here. You can have your own chair right here and just do your own craft work. I love it. I feel like the perfect person for this home will be someone who's crafty, loves an open space, an art person, someone who loves to live life just flowing freely, you know? And as I said, there's window space right here. There's also window space right behind me. I'll deal with my TV on this wall right here. I just realized the reason why it's so cold in here is because this house is set to 45 degrees. It is freezing. I just switched it to 75 so it can warm up the whole house a little bit, just so we can have a better tour in here, okay? All right, so after seeing the beautiful, gorgeous, spacious living room, just look at that. Very, very spacious. Spacious, and then seeing the kitchen area, we're gonna go ahead and look at the 2-bedroom. This house has a large, spacious space, but I feel like it's all together. Like the living room, the kitchen, and you walk in this hallway, you're gonna go into the bedrooms. So it's all kind of together in one enclosed space. I love that. It's not a lot going on, it's just free flowing. That's why I said this house is gonna be perfect for the one who loves to live life on the edge. Now look at this hallway. This hallway leads to your 2 bedrooms and your 1 bathroom. So we're gonna take a walk in here. You guys are gonna check out the bedrooms with me. So let's go. Look at how spacious this whole bedroom is. From side to side and end to end, there is so much going on in this house and I love it. Closet is set right here. It goes end to end. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the closet, so don't you worry, it's spacious. It goes all the way from here to that side. You're gonna love it. And then right behind me is this large window that's giving me so much light. It feels like I'm in the studio right now, but I'm not. I'm just in the house and I'm just in the bedroom. And this is winter, okay? This is winter. So just imagine this amount of light here in the winter. Just imagine that one of that's gonna come in the summertime. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be so nice and I love it. I love a good window space, okay? If you can already tell. Love a good window space. Look at how big the window is. From here to there. It's huge. The window space is so huge. It looks a little dark because I'm facing the window. So let's turn around a little bit so I can have a little bit of light on my face. See? Look at that. Look at the closet space. Let's go take a closer look into the closet space. Let me know what you guys think. Is this spacious enough? Not too spacious? What do you guys think so far? Let's go. As usual, we're in the closet. But do you see the closet space? It goes all the way. I don't want to walk all the way because I don't want to hit my head on the wall. But you guys see the space in here from end to end. It's huge, okay? You can fit all your clothes in here. Pack some suitcases behind here. Put some shoes at the top. If you guys need me to design your home for you, just let me know. Now we're gonna step into the bathroom of this house. It's right in between the two rooms, which means everyone gets a share. Nobody is left behind. This one can stop in here. This one can also stop in here. It's a shared bathroom, but it's a 2-bedroom house. So let's go take a look inside. First of all, look at this vanity light here. It's gorgeous. You have a little mirror here. And you also have brand new cabinets for your sink right here. And a lots of light at the top here. Now on this side, you have the shower. Even though this house is an older house, you have the new shower style. You have this frosted shower walls here, and then you have your basic bathtub in the inside of it. Then you have your toilet sitting right here, and extra cabinet spaces for you in this home. Right behind you is also gonna be 2 cabinet spaces and then a space for the washer dryer hookup. So right down below, that's where you're gonna put your washer dryer in. For this home, we're not providing a washer dryer for you, which means you're gonna have to bring your own washer dryer in this house. But the price point is so great, you can buy yourself a washer and dryer in this home. No struggle. And lastly, this is gonna be the master bedroom. This is the bedroom with the space, okay? If you thought the other home was spacious, you haven't seen anything yet, because this room has so much space in here. 2 closets, not just one, to fit all your clothes and then some. So it's gonna be the first closet. It's gonna be right in this corner, and then another closet for you in this corner as well. So there's so much space. Obviously this is the master. You know what I love about this home? Is this little sneaky space. You can just stand right here, raise your head up and see what's going on outside. You don't have to go outside, you don't have to create any drama. As you can see, there's so much lighting in this room too as well. I love the lighting in this house. This house has so much lighting. I love it so much. The way it's facing rectangularly, like a lot style. So the sun goes from one end to the other end, and every time it's moving, you have so much light in here, because it starts from right here, hits this room, hits this space, and then goes to the other end. And while it's moving, it's hitting your kitchen space, it's hitting your bedroom on the other side. I just love the light that comes into this house. That is the full tour of this whole house. This is a very short video because this home is just a 2-bedroom and a 1-bathroom. So it's gonna be a short video. I know in my previous video, somebody asked me to do a walkthrough of the whole house. So let's go do a walkthrough of the whole house from the beginning. Come on.